Time to put the hardware on the cabinet. We have this side of the cabinet. Now this is a door drawer cabinet. So it's going to have one set of slides and one set of plates for a door. The plate is number 2 on your hardware. The plate will have 2 screws already mounted and a small arrow. That arrow will point towards the front of the cabinet for easily assembling of the door. You can see there's a set of holes and a set of holes. They run in line with each other. Simply take the plate, line it up with the holes and press down. Repeat this process on the bottom. Sometimes you have to line up the plastic. Push down. Take your screwdriver or a screw gun, Phillips head, install the hinge. There, that's done. Now, most cabinets will have full extension side-mounted slides. The slides have a male and female end. Simply push and pop out the male end. Extend it all the way and you'll see a lever. Push the lever up, it will release and you'll separate. The female end goes onto the cabinet. Using your 5mm screws, which will be number 4 on your paperwork, line up the second hole on the back of the slide to the first hole on the upper section of the cabinet. You will notice that the slide will actually be recessed from the side about 1/8 of an inch. That's proper installation. Simply install one screw here, install one screw here, and that part is done. Now for some people, you're going to have a tandem mount slide. Tandem mount slide will have in the back by this little pin an R or an L for right or for left. Same installation. The holes are a little bit different. You have 2 rows in the front, 4 holes. The top row, the 4th hole, will line up with the hole that we have in the board. The front will also be approximately an 1/8 inch in from the front. Simply screw the first hole and line up the second hole and screw the second hole. Again, using the number 5mm screw, which is number 4 on your paperwork. Now that we have the hardware in, we'll be ready to assemble the cabinet. For some people, though, you might have an additional rollout, an interior pullout. Now, because we have a door on this side, we have to make sure that the drawer can come out without hitting the hinge. So we have what's called a spacer. The spacer is number 8. Number 8 on your paperwork. Very simple plastic mechanism that will have a little nub sticking out. You simply take the nub and put the nub in the bottom hole towards the bottom. And you will have an adjacent hole on top where again you will use the 5mm system screw and simply put it in. Repeat for the back side. Now what's really nice about this is now that this is done, again, take out your male end so you can see. Your female, the holes